Lakewood, when your septic tank is full, every flush and drain risks turning your yard into a disaster zone. And that's where Belmar Lake Plumbing springs into action. Our septic tank pumping service delivers lightning-fast response and expert care to keep your system running smoothly and your property protected. Picture this: no more foul odors creeping into your home, no soggy lawn patches, and no emergency backups in the basement. Our certified technicians arrive ready with powerful vacuum trucks and precision tools, pumping out waste, sludge, and scum that build up over time. We handle every step efficiently, inspecting tank integrity, removing accumulated solids, and checking drain fields to ensure optimal performance. Don't wait for warning signs like slow drains or bubbling toilets to become full-blown crises. Regular pumping prevents clogs, extends the life of your septic system, and saves you thousands in costly repairs. Belmar Lake Plumbing knows Lakewood's soil conditions and seasonal challenges, so we tailor our service to your home's needs, whether it's routine maintenance or emergency service. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing your septic tank was serviced by local experts who treat your property with respect. We work clean, communicate clearly, and leave your yard spotless. No mess, no stress, and long-lasting results you can trust. For Lakewood homeowners, proactive septic tank pumping is the ultimate preventative measure, protecting your health, your home, and your investment. When you need fast, friendly, and reliable service from professionals who care, call Belmar Lake Plumbing. We bring the power, the precision, and the passion to keep your septic system and your life flowing effortlessly.